Hi and welcome back. My name is Sebastian and I will be guiding you through the newest updates in our factory. We'll be starting off from the wood chip storage, and as you can see, we finally installed the door. Inside you can see that we installed 3 new windows, and we are currently pulling all the electric wires, and they are currently installing all the electricity. We also got a lot of new stuff attached to the boiler, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The wood chip storage also got a new paint job, and here you can see one of the guys behind the painting. After the factory project is done, Ari Mäkinen will be one of our assembly guys, and he's also going to be a painter, so assembler slash painter. So here you can see the full scale of the wood chip storage, and as you can see, it's quite big. We already brought some wood chips here, so lucky for us, the storage is not filled yet, so we can actually see how it works. So here you can see these rotating blades that will rotate and feed this screw right here. The screw will feed the wood chips to the boiler. So when this storage is filled all the way to the top, these blades will feed it to the boiler. Safety first. So, the first thing you see when you enter the building are the new shelves. We actually got a shipment for some shear pieces this morning, and they will be stored on this side of this building. So that side will be the assembly, and this side right here will be filled with shelves and all the parts for our shears. So on the other side of the hall, we have the locker room for all the TMK employees. Inside here, on the left you can see the shower. They are doing the tiling for the shower, and on the right will be a bathroom. So this is the place for all the TMK employees. So, coming off of the production facilities, on the left here you can see the dining room. We will not be going there. On the right we have our production manager Marcus's office, and conveniently he's not there, so I guess we'll continue. So downstairs we have also made some progress. In the office here we got some windows installed, and right here beside the door there's a hole for a window to come. Here's the sauna area. There's a lot of work going on in there, so we will be updating it later. Next, let's go upstairs. So upstairs, we put up this wall that separates the conference room from tent house office that is right here. We also installed insulations to the ceiling and in some parts of the walls. In the end here, in the office area, we installed new windows right over there and in the other room here.
What about the other upstairs?
What other upstairs? Oh, you mean the secret upstairs? Yeah, come follow me. Okay, so the secret upstairs is the place where we can hang out with the bros. No, just kidding. This is actually a place where we're installing the air conditioning pipes, and the air conditioning unit will be located in here. Okay, so the view is actually starting to look pretty nice from up here in the conference room, especially when we got rid of the 2 blue hideous construction containers. So yeah, I think that's all for today, and I'm gonna go back to my real work. Oh yeah, I don't really have anything to do here.